Aradhya here. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So, today I have come up with an great activity. Can you guess what it is? Oh, let me tell you. Oh, aeroplane, but it's not real. It's a paper aeroplane. So for that, you will need A4 size paper or used paper, newspaper as well. Which color shall I take? Today I will use red color. First we will make the middle point. And we will press it over here. Now we will make one triangle on this point. Now one more triangle on this point. See, now we got this shape. Now we will fold it downwards. The triangle, we will fold it downwards. Now we have got a square size paper. Now we will again fold it like this. And make the middle point. Now again we will make two triangles. Now we will fold it like this. We have got this shape. Now we will fold it like this. Then on the other side you do the same. Then there should be only 1 point and 3 points. So now I will show you how it flies.